So welcome back. This is me, Arshi. In this video, we're going to talk about PGCET 2026. We're going to talk about all in and out, right, about the registration, the approximately dates and everything. So let's get started. So before starting this, if I talk about Karnataka PGCET, though it is for the colleges to take admission in Karnataka, but primarily for every single student, one of the most preferred locations is Bangalore, which is Silicon Valley of India. So we're going to have a look when it comes to the architecture, the score versus, rank prediction. So let's say in case if I talk about raw rank, so, you need to have 60 plus marks to get a rank of around 1 to 100, right? If I talk about 55 to 60 marks in this, you will be getting a rank of 100 to 200. 50 to 55 marks, getting a rank, will be between 200 to 500. And if I talk about 40 to 45 marks, the rank will be around 1000 to 3000, right? So let's in case, missing target goals by just 2-3 marks, quite impact when it comes to the seat matrix, because it's basically a state level counseling, and during state level counseling, every single marks matter a lot. Now, if I talk about premium colleges, now let's be very honest, there's nothing called tier 1 colleges which you can get through Karnataka PGCET. What is tier 1 colleges? Tier 1 colleges with an average package of more than 20 lakh plus, right? But if I talk about one of the most preferred colleges, a lot of students do look for RV Institute of Management, but again, it's a college known for engineering. Because of that name RV, a lot of students consider this as an option. They claim to give an average package of around 8.50, but I don't think so. The packages will be more than 4-5 lakh rupees, right? Now, then we have, PS University, the RR campus, right? If I talk about their fee structure for general merit direct, around 14 lakh, but I guess, if you'll be going through counseling, the fee structure is on a different side. There are few companies, the placements are inflated. Third institution, we have, MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, again, one of the top colleges for engineering in Bangalore. If I talk about donations, students pay 40-50 lakh donations to get admissions when it comes to computer science engineering. But if I talk at MBA, you again need to think that whether you should really invest in a college which is quite centric towards engineering. But yeah, they do offer MBA, and the average package is around 7 is what they claim for. There are inflations when it comes to average packages. So let's say in case if you really want to know that what are the right options for you in terms of the exposure you're looking for, the kind of placements you're looking for, the kind of curriculum you're looking for, all you can do is fill out the profile analysis form, which is there in the description box, and get your queries answered. Then what are the right options as per your profile through Karnataka PGCET. Then we have BMS again, College of Engineering, claiming, I think all these placements which are mentioned is kind of a general placement, because they have mentioned 11 lakh is an average package, but I think that might be for engineering, not for MBA for sure, right? Then again, you have Dayanand Sagar, and I'll be really honest to you, all these colleges are quite engineering centric college. With Karnataka PGCET, you can look at a few colleges, Alliance University, CMS Jain University. If you're specifically, targeting colleges, you can target a lot of colleges like Zyme don't accept, but a lot of other colleges which are offering MBA and PGDM definitely accept PG Karnataka PGCET. So you can apply for all those options out there. But the right college plays a very important role for getting the right amount of placements, exposure, and quality education. So for that, you can reach out to the description box. So this was me, Arshi Khan, signing off. Milte ek aur episode ke saath.
I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.